Hello, investor and trader. Welcome back to another episode of Live Day Trading Recap. So I managed to get out my mess from Facebook during pre-market. So I sold Facebook around right here, almost 261 at 4:44. This is a New York time, by the way, so I got to subtract 3 hours. So I managed to get out of that mess. Again, what my mistake was, I bought some right here. I bought some right here. That's way too close. These are known as bear traps, so should have known better not to average costs so close to each other when you day trade. Or should I cut my loss right here and then should cut my loss right here? But I didn't do any of that. So in the end, it didn't turn out that bad. It could be worse, right? I mean, save my buying power for today. I'm glad I did, but I didn't have, good thing I didn't have to use it because the pre-market pop, which was kind of right because yesterday, I mean on Friday was pretty heavy sell off. So he managed to get out with 300 something. So the market today, the Dow opened with a big pop a little bit over 200 points. So I didn't find anything good at the beginning of the day. I mean, I was watching Facebook and other stocks that I normally trade. I just couldn't find anything fits my criteria. And then I found Facebook getting near the on Friday's low, 255 right here. Let me speed up the video. So just patiently waiting. So I notice this is the falling knife. Again, one of my favorite strategy. I look for the RSI is very low. And notice the candle formation. Big candle, big candle, small candle, smaller candle, and look, it's pushing up. It tells me that selling pressure is slowing down. Also, yesterday previous low or Friday previous low was around 255. So that's why I know to enter around there. I try to enter the half price, but somehow like again I should use limits in the market. They give me the worst price ever, 72 like at the peak. I'm like, damn it. My selling target is right here into the resistance. I should be very optimistic, huh? Since the market's so green today, it should sell up here because Facebook eventually got like way up here to this moving average. So this trade turned out to be pretty good. I didn't break any rules on this trade. In fact, I stick to my rules, so that's good. Yeah, sometimes I don't follow my rules, and then I end up paying for the price sometimes. Can I speed it faster? Well, eventually it did what I expected. What the heck into the screen? There we go. Sorry about that. There we go. Pop sold. Make another. I don't know, couple like what 80, 800 ish, close to 800, and there's the pop as I expected. When I saw that green, I'm like, oh yeah, this is a confirmed profit right here. Okay, after that, I don't see anything good. I mean, I missed a lot of trades today. I was watching DocuSign, but I didn't pull the trigger. Also, Home Depot, AMD also. I was watching DocuSign for a little bit. I'm like, should I enter at 225? 225 looks very good. I did have an order. I don't know, did I record that piece? I think I did. Right there. Yep, there we go. So after I made a Facebook, I have an order for DocuSign. Right there, you can see the order, limit order. Because notice the spread for DocuSign is pretty damn wide. And again, if I use market order, I'll probably enter the worst price possible. So I'll use limit, but the stock took off without me. So I'm like, too late. And then at the end, I'm like, you know what? Maybe there's another potential scalp trade. Again, scalping is something I'm working on right now. I'm not that good at it, but I'm okay. So enter right here on a scalp trade on AMD. So I enter on this counter right here. I think it was 5,000 shares, around the 20 cents, 22 cents. And my sell target only like 10 cents, 15 cents. Again, I didn't get out the exact price as I wanted. I used market. I should have used limit. But I know 25, 40 will be heavy resistance. On top of that, let me pass forward a little bit. Okay, so I got in 5,000 shares. So I got out like in the next candle, I think, because the QQQ is falling in. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. So I got in that candle. My profit around 10 cents, 15 cents, 35 cents ish. I know for sure it'll be under 40 cents. But I'm watching the Qs because the Q goes pull back, AMD sure are gonna pull back with it, and it sure did. Let me show you guys after this. Oh man, it's lagging. Oh yeah, this morning was lagging too. A lot of people having problem trading on the platform and also on the website. Earlier, I tried to sell some orders from my sister account. There you go. I exited, and I couldn't. The order went through, but I still in the position. And like, damn, this is laggy. So I got out, uh, trying to get 35, but clicked the wrong. I not clicked the wrong, but somehow I didn't get it. But oh well, it is what it is. So that's a quick, almost 500 bucks. So I ended the day with 1600, which is pretty okay. I passed my goal, so I'm happy. See how I pulled back? I knew this happening because the Qs had a pretty good run for like 30 minutes. I mean, it has to take a break, right? It can't just go run forever. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So I knew this was going to happen. Damn, look it go. I should have short right here, huh? That's one thing I need to work on this year is learn how to short better. I short kind of suck. Yeah, see, there's a QQQ here. I watch this all the time when I trade. So when I saw the Q right here, how this wicks right here, this wicks and wicks. That means the 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 pressure is going down. And when I saw this right here, I'm like, uh-oh, not good. And then when I saw that low below this low, I'm like, oh, okay, AMD gonna go down with it. So that's why I got out AMD. I'm glad I did, or else that was a pretty big mess, right? It tanked like 50 cents, 5,000 shares. That's 2,500 bucks. Other than that, that's it for today. I ended the day early today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.